Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan, and in this video we're going to talk about who's responsible for reliability. I'm in Key Largo, Florida, out on a boat, and they are the most beautiful mangroves. And the mangroves have a very intricate root system, and they contribute greatly to the ecosystem. And when we talk about the ecosystem, really everything is intertwined, and the same thing goes for reliability. Who's responsible for reliability? Everyone. That's why it's so important to build a reliability culture within your organization. But part of doing that is involving everyone. When you think about a piece of equipment and getting the reliability we need, there are a lot of different disciplines that are involved in that. We've got operators and maintainers and engineers and electricians and management and so on. So when you are working to get the reliability you need from your equipment, it's very important that you involve everyone. I'm Nancy Regan from Key Largo, Florida. Thank you for watching.